Yo, it's like 4:45 in the morning. I'm on the tank. You know what I'm saying? I'm on the tank. Man, but hold on. Let me. Oof. Oh, it's let me get right. Let me get right. Bing bong. Hello. Welcome back, man. It's in the morning. This is take 2. I did a real good first take, but I wasn't recording, so it's practice. All right, so check it out. Got the shades on because that's how we've done it. That's how we've always done it, and that's how we're gonna keep doing it. But 2 things real quick this morning. Look, first things first. Wait a minute, you didn't know? If you did, look, okay, before I get into that, what you got to do is subscribe to Lance TV on IG, and you will be tuned into these things. Instagram usually gets it first. That's just how it is. That's just how it is. Okay, now, catch you up to speed, YouTube. Right outside there, okay? It's a man out there with no name. That's right. I showed this picture right here recently. Got into 2018 Porsche Cayenne Platinum Edition. That's what happened. I hit the button. That's why it stopped. Okay, that Platinum Edition. That's right. I had a post. I said I was stable building. Okay, y'all don't look at my mustache uneven. Anyway, ooh, it is. I'm gonna church that up before I go to work. So it needs a name. It needs a name. That's it. I need a name. I go out there, I say good morning, no name. That's rude and it's disrespectful. Number 2, I need your help with that. And this is how this is gonna go. The best person or the best name. Okay, I need a name. The best name. All right. I'm gonna stick with the Amazon gift card. Amazon gift card coming your way. Let's do the first gift. Are we gonna go big? 200? No, we're not doing 200. Let's go ahead because I still got to move in. Okay, I still got stuff to do for the house. Look, we're just gonna keep it plain Jane, real simple. 2 whales, $50 gift card coming your way. I need you. Help me out with a name. What are we gonna call this man? He's out there, no name, nameless, looking good, but no name. So help me out with that. And that's it. 2 whales, 1 love. Stay tuned. Keep your peace. It's very important. All right. Oh, and by the way,